Welcome back to my channel. Today I brought a new activity for the kids. This activity helps increase of brain boosting for the kids and also increases the eye and hand coordination level in the kids. Generally, many parents will be complaining that handwriting of our child is very good, very bad. They are not holding the pen stiffly. They are not writing properly. Their handwriting is very bad. It's not neat like that. If you practice this activity at home with your child, definitely your child's handwriting improves and their handwriting will be neat. For this, I have taken one paper and I have placed some dots, and I am telling my child to join the dots. Okay, Afi, you join the dots. Afi,
Okay, Mama.
tell your child to join the dots. Focus, Afi, hold the pen stiff.
Okay, Mama.
Like this, you can also practice your child by taking one paper and placing some dots on the paper and ask them to join the dots. With this activity, generally the children increases their hand and eye coordination and also increases their handwriting level and also focus level increases mainly in the children. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good, Afi. Very good. Focus. Okay, okay. No problem. Next, do. Come on, you do this also. Very good. Hold the pen properly. Stiffly you hold. Hold the pen stiff. This activity increases their focus. Concentration in the child increases. If we do this activity, if you practice this activity regularly at home with your child, their focus, their concentration level, and also handwriting of the child increases. Very good, very good. Very good. Last. You do this last. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now you can see my child. At first it's not so neat. Second, it's somewhat better. Third, good. Fourth, it's excellent. By doing these activities, this concentration level and the focus level of the child both increases. Okay, you practice these activities at your home with your child. This is the second activity which I have bought for which increases eye and hand coordination and also increases the concentration level and focus level in children. For this, I have taken one paper. In this paper, I have drawn some circles with different colors. I have used different colors for drawing circles. And second, I have taken one paper here with empty circles. Okay, with empty circles, you can see them. And next, here there are some blocks. You can take any colors or you can take some circles and you can cut the circles with that colors. I have blocks, so I have taken them. You ask your child to keep the same blocks in these empty circles. Okay, Afi, you take some blocks of same color which here mama has taken and you fill that blocks with the same color.
Okay, Mama.
Which is seen in this paper. Okay. What is the first color are you seeing, Afi? Which color is seen?
Red.
Okay, you place first red.
Red.
Next, which is the color?
Yellow.
Yellow. By this activity, their eye and hand coordination also increases and their focus and also concentration in the kids increases. If you see this, then we think that it's really very easy. But it's not very easy for the kids because they should focus on the blocks of the colors also and the colors which are seen on the paper, which increases their brain boosting and also eye and hand coordination in the child. Last color. What is the last color?
Brown.
Okay, keep brown. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Now I'll give you one more activities. One more you do, Afi.
Okay, Mama.
Come on, you start. Start doing. What is the first color?
Black.
Okay, okay, black. Next.
Blue. Sky blue.
Next.
Yellow.
Very good. Next.
Pink.
Very good. Next. Focus, Afi. Very good. Focus and concentration of the child is very important here. If they focus, then automatically their concentration level and focus level on other things in other works also automatically increases. Very good. Very good. What is that? Purple?
Purple. Yes, Mama.
Last.
Last.
Red. Very good. Very good. One more. I have taken one more so that these children can increase their eye-hand coordination. Practice makes man perfect now. So I'm taking more activities and I'm increasing their eye-hand coordination level. Okay, start. What is the first here? Which is the color first?
Orange.
Orange. Take orange. Next. Which is the color?
Red.
Okay, red. Next. Next.
Green.
Very good. Next.
Purple.
Very good. Purple. Very good. Next.
Yellow.
Very good.
Orange.
Very good. Next.
Brown.
Very good. Next.
Black.
Very good. After you do this also.
Okay, Mama.
Come on, start doing. What is the first color, please?
Red.
Keep red. Be quick. Should be fast. Next.
Yellow.
Very good. Place yellow. Next.
Brown.
Very good.
Press brown.
Next.
Black.
Very good. Focus, focus, concentrate. Next.
Green.
Very good. Next. What is the next?
Blue.
Very good. Next.
Sky blue.
Next.
Pink.
Very good. Very good. Next.
Red.
Very good. Keep last. Very good. This is the third activity which I have taken, which increases the hand coordination in the kids and also increases brain boosting and increases the focus and also concentration in the kids. Here I have taken two boxes. I have made circles with different colors, and I'll tell my child to identify the same object or the same picture. Afi, there are two objects. Can you see the objects?
Yes, Mama.
You tell the objects or the circles which are same in both the objects, in both the boxes.
Green, green.
Green is present in both boxes?
Yes.
Very good. Here, you see?
Here, CC and yellow, yellow.
Very good. CC and yellow, yellow are present. Very good. Similar. Very good. Next. In third box,
Star, star.
star is present. Very good. Once you practice this with this child, with your child, again you can make some harder, little harder, once they understand the concept. You see, Afi, here I have taken 3 boxes, Afi. Can you see?
Mama.
You tell the objects which are present similar in all 3 boxes.
Okay.
Focus, focus.
Wait, Mama.
Which alphabet is similar in all 3 boxes?
All 3 boxes.
Here, here, here.
B, B, B.
Very good. See, you can see
Yes, Mama.
childs are taking some time because I have increased here 3 boxes. Before Peppa I have taken only 2 boxes, so she easily identified. but here I have taken 3 boxes, so she's taking some time to identify which alphabets are present in all 3 boxes. With this activity, the generally child increases their focus level and also increases their brain boosting and also increases concentration level. You see, Afi, in these boxes,
Yes, Mama.
you tell which objects, which shapes or which alphabets are present in all 3 boxes.
All 3 boxes.
Yeah.
Yellow, yellow.
Yellow, yellow, yellow. Very good. Anything, anything, else?
No, no.
Anything? Here, you see, in third box.
Third box.
Which color?
Orange, orange.
Orange, orange, orange. Very good. In fourth box, you see?
Fourth box.
You see the alphabets?
Triangle, triangle. Green, green, green.
Very good. Here I have taken not only alphabets, but I have mixed alphabets with the colors and also mixed some shapes, so that child get confused. But in their confusion, if they search the answer, if they search the exact which is present in all 3 boxes, then automatically their eye and hand coordination and their concentration level is very important, which increases their concentration level. Okay, this is the fourth activity which I have bought. See here, it's nothing but it's like a game. You can easily play with your kids. I have taken one, I have drawn some rectangles. In that I have colored with some different colors. In each rectangle I have colored with 2 different colors, and I have made some cutted with I have made this with small pieces and have colored the same. Now Afi,
Yes, Mama.
you search this block here and you place this here. By doing these activities, the child can easily increases their hand coordination level, their focus level increases, concentration increases. You search and keep off. First, what is present? Pink,
Pink,
green.
green.
Very good, like that. You can easily make this at your home with papers and colors. Next we have orange, yellow. See, orange, yellow.
Orange, yellow.
Yes, orange, yellow.
Yes, Mama.
Very good.
Orange, yellow.
Next,
Brown, black. Brown, black.
see, brown, black.
Here, Mama. Brown,
Very
black.
good. By doing these activities, generally these skills get enjoy also and increases their hand coordination. They increases their concentration level. My child is also enjoying. Okay, focus. You see this office? Search yellow and blue.
Yellow and blue.
Yeah, very good.
Yellow and blue.
Very good. Next. Come on, be fast. See, Api. Very good. Orange and pink. Very good. Come on, focus. What happened? Very good. Their concentration level increases because they are thinking what to do, where to keep, where to place, how to place. They are thinking. Their focus level, their concentration level increases. By doing their activities, they are thinking. If the child is thinking, then automatically their concentration and focus level increases. Very good.